Hello my lovely English learners, and welcome back to another lesson from English with Jane. Born and raised in the south of England in Southampton, I've been teaching English now for 20 years, so I can really help you improve your English. In today's lesson, we're going to look at 20 words that are often mispronounced in English. It's a very straightforward lesson, but it will really help you if you can just shadow me, say the word afterwards, correctly pronounced. You'll be able to sound far better when you speak English. Let's get started. Can you say this word? Mischievous, mischievous. How about this one? Pronunciation, pronunciation. And this one? February, February. How about this one? Library, library. And this one? Supposedly, supposedly. How about this one? Etc., etc. This one? Complicated, complicated. Not so complicated. How about often, often. Often is also acceptable. Nuclear, nuclear. And salmon, salmon. Almond, almond. Envelope, envelope. Arctic, arctic. Candidate, candidate. Hierarchy, hierarchy. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Realtor, realtor. Sherbet, sherbet, sherbet. I love sherbet. Cash, cash. And the last one, and by far the most important, espresso, espresso. Let me know below in the comments how well you did. Did you score 20 out of 20? If so, then your English is excellent and you should watch this video next. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I'm very excited to help you learn English, and I will be making regular videos from now on.